What's up, my YouTube friends? Johnny V out here in Biloxi, Mississippi. They're coming along on that building. It's going to be a community bank. Coming soon, community bank. I did a drone video not too long ago. They weren't nearly that high up. I don't know how high they're going. Maybe 3 stories. Seems like everything around here is 2 or 3 stories. Over here's the filling station. It's popular bar, eatery. Mostly bar at night. This is Main Street. Main Street and Howard. Howard's across the street. I'm walking on Main. Yeah, I think this is the Mermaid Club. Live mermaids inside, it says. Bar and grill. Looks like it's pretty closed. It opens at 4 o'clock. 4 to 10, I think the hours are. They're open 6 hours a day. Nice. I need a schedule like that. This is Main Street. Let me get out here. A lot of lawyer offices, and this is the post office up here. Some mug shots over here. That's relatively new in the last year or so, I think, because they didn't really have any big name businesses like that. That's the post office right there. The coin shop. Patio 44. I thought that was a bank on that street. I guess that's on the next street over. I don't even know what the next street over is, but this is Main Street. This up here is a town green, I believe. Then on the other side of the highway is the Hard Rock Casino and Hotel. Turn here on Water Street. Oh, right on the other side of the building is the town green. Turn here on Water Street. That's the post office. Knights of Columbus, Biloxi Council. There you can see the Hard Rock in between those tree and the tree. Right there, Sal Mookies pizza house, pizza restaurant basically. They sell other stuff, but man, when it first came, it was like popular, but nothing fizzled out, I think. Maybe the food wasn't that good, I don't know. Maybe it's overpriced, I don't know. Been there a couple times. It was decent. I don't remember how the prices were. Probably pretty similar to everything else. This is Half Shell Oyster House here. What street is this? This is Lamuse? Uh-oh, copyright music, no good for me. It's right over here, it's called Le Cafe Beignet. Southern gourmet brunch. I don't know about that. There's a guide to downtown Biloxi. Here, over here is a place called Adventures Pub and Spirits. It's a nighttime bar room. Over here is a Fuji sushi house. They got a lot of restaurants and bars out here. This place is open 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. They used to be open way past 4 a.m. The pre-communist flu. They used to be open after 4 o'clock because I know people used to go there after work. Right here is a American flag, and this is City Hall, I believe. I think it's City Hall. This is where they set up the reviewing stands when they have the parades and Mardi Gras parades and stuff. They set up the review stands of review here. 1905 U.S. Federal Building. It's been open, so it's been quite a while. Let me get on the other side of the street so you can actually see the building. Alright, you turn, good. That's the City Hall. Looks like it's 140 Lemieux Street. That's a hospital I had to go to, and I thought I was having a heart attack over there. Like 3 or 4 stories, 4 or 5 stories. Right after work, man, my heart just started pounding. I think it was just indigestion. Eating some nasty food, some red sauce late at night or something. I mean, not that my body knew it was late at night, because my body's used to being up till 4 a.m., 5 a.m. There's a bank up here called the People's Bank. And you can see the progress of the, well, I'll show you the progress of this community bank next door. Like, we need another bank, right? They're coming along. Looks like it's gonna be nice. It's probably gonna fit the architecture of all the other buildings around here. There's LZ's hardware store. People's Bank, Asset Management and Trust Services. I thought that was a People's Bank right behind me. City of Biloxi. This looks like old downtown Biloxi. A lot of old looking buildings. I think they're getting ready to build something here. Scraping the ground. This was a Fresenius Medical Care, Biloxi Dialysis. Over here's a Central Coastal Mississippi Montegrappa Museum. I know somebody already did a video on this. I think my friend Mississippi Wildlife already did a video of this. Try not to get run over. Man, that tight? I didn't realize it was that tight. All admission $5, it says. My friend, yeah, if you want to see a detailed video of that, my friend Mississippi Wildlife did a video of that. This is where you can go axe throwing. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that soon. I think they close right now. Enter parking and back, so we can do some axe throwing. Yeah, it's locked up pretty good. Craft beers on tap. All pints, always $5. GCAxe.com. And throw some axes. Go ahead down this street here, a little alleyway. See what's back here. Looks like it. I can definitely see it leads out to another street. So. Yeah, it's got to be expensive to throw those axes because that rent's got to be high in that area. I mean, high for something like that. I mean, if you're a lawyer or something, that's great, no problem. But if you're trying to throw axes, you're gonna have to charge you 20-30 bucks plus drinks. I think they said there's a limit of how many drinks you can have when you're throwing axes. You can't drink more than 2 or 3. They don't want drunk people throwing axes, I guess. Probably not a good mix. There's a Biloxi Transit Center over here. Greyhound bus station. You gotta take a Greyhound somewhere. There's some major construction going on here. It's a major renovation or something. See the IP way in the distance back there. IP's on the back bay. Now I really have no idea what street I'm on, but I can see where I was over there. How long was this video? I have no idea. Oh, there it is, 11 minutes. I was looking all over for it. It's at the bottom. Yeah, I guess I'll end the video. It's getting kind of long and it's kind of boring out this way. Remember, if you like my videos, click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my videos if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel, I mean. All that good stuff. Eh? Just make sure to drop a comment. Leave a little meaningful comment for me. Not just like, hey, nice video. Like something about the video. What did you like about the video? Yada yada yada. And click the thumbs up, more importantly. Leave a comment and subscribe, yeah. This is Johnny V out in Biloxi, Mississippi, Harrison County. This is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. And this is Delaney Street. Delaney? Maybe Delaney, because there's a U in it. I guess it's Delaney. See what this looks like, a government building up here. See what this government building is, and that'll end the video. Harrison County Juvenile Detention Center? Huh. Bad news for those kids. Looks like it says juvie, yeah. Yep, it does say it. Harrison County Juvenile Detention Center. Some place you probably don't want to be if you're a kid. Juvie. That's juvie. You got some razor wires at the top if you want to try to get out. Wow. Got some heavy duty razors. Got some heavy duty razors, Papa. Alright guys, remember if you like my videos, click the thumbs up. I'm out. We're coming up on Esther's Boulevard and the railroad tracks. Peace out, guys.